Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful Velotric Fold 1. Brand new on the market, and I tell you what, there is some things to be said about this one, so stick around. Okay, spoiler alert. I tell you what, I like this bike right here for a lot of reasons, so let's get into it. First of all, thanks to Velotric for sending this to me for a test and review. This is my first Velotric bike, and I tell you what, it's impressive. I've always heard good things about the brand. People seem to be very happy with it. And now I get to experience it for myself and share it with you and let you know that, yeah, there's a lot to be liked about the Velotric brand. There are some good quality components here, just good quality build overall. My interaction with the company has been very professional, very quick, and I appreciate all of that. Let's look at some of the components. We're going to start with the Velotric branded hub motor right here at 750 watts. Now it does peak at over 1,000, so it gives you a nice power. We have a 13 amp hour battery right back here, and it's mounted underneath the seat post where you can easily get to it. 13 amp hours is a good size battery, I would say, for a style of bike like this. This style is a folding. It's a lightweight bike because you have that smaller frame and you have smaller tires, a little bit thinner tires, so it makes this bike come in at about 63 pounds. So it's great for being able to more easily pick it up, load it up into the back of a car or something like that. Now there's a lot of other folding e-bikes on the market that are similar in style. We've had a few on this channel. None of them compare to this one right here. Yeah, none of them compares. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and start up here in the front. So we do have Chaoyang 20x3 tires. The knobs on them are not too aggressive. So it's almost like in between a street tire and like an off-road tire. So you can get some traction in the grass and dirt, gravel, but it's comfortable to ride on the road. And we've also got metal fenders up here, which a lot of people appreciate and like for their durability. We've got a nice big bright headlight up here, and it's got 2 lamps inside there. So that is a nice upgrade that you don't see on some other brand bikes. We have suspension forks right here with a lockout preload on the other side. We have hydraulic disc brakes with 180 millimeter front rotors right there. I tell you what, the wire and everything is wrapped real nice. The frame looks real good. A lot of the wiring goes inside the frame on the right and also on the left side. Moving on up here, you do have a reflector that hangs on the handlebar. We'll get back to the cockpit area in just a moment. Let's move on down here. You've got a nice big latch right here to be able to unfold and fold up this bike, and it's real easy to operate. We have a huge chain ring on here. I think that's a 51, 52, don't remember. Huge chain ring, which delivers a great benefit when you're out riding because you don't get ghost pedaling. I can comfortably pedal this bike up to about 24, 25 miles per hour comfortably without any ghost pedaling. So I love that big front chain ring there. We do have a turning derailleur down here with a derailleur guard to help keep it protected. You can see the frame there, real nice frame. The rear rack is all part of the frame. It's all integrated there, which I like. It makes it a lot stronger. This is an optional basket right here that you can get for $89. And even the level of detail that goes into this. You know, a lot of companies, they'll sell you a metal basket and that's it. They don't offer any type of liner. And that's been one of my critiques on this channel for a long time. They don't offer liners or anything to put on the bottom to make it solid to keep stuff from falling through these great big gaping holes, right? So Velotric, well, they thought of that. You know, they think about the small details. So they developed this nice liner. It's attached with Velcro, so you can easily unsnap it, take it off if you need to. But not only that, you know what? They give you a pocket. I mean, look at that. Who else would have done something like that? A nice little pocket there for some small items. I think it's great. Back here in the back, we do have an integrated tail light. And brake light right there, so that's real nice to have. And let's go, even the seat. The seat is not bad at all. It's a little wider than some. It's nice and soft. So you hear me critique a lot of the stock saddles that come with e-bikes, but I have found this one to be pretty comfortable. It's so comfortable that I don't necessarily want to or feel the need to upgrade it. So it works right out of the box like that. Hey, let's talk about out of the box real quick. There wasn't a lot of assembly with this bike right here, which is real nice too.
All right, guys, so you can see that it is a folding e-bike that we got in a pearl white. Now, it does come in the colors stone gray and electric blue as well. So this is different. I haven't seen this before. It's like a little Velcro strap that is keeping this bike secure.
Okay guys, we got the Velotric Fold 1 unpackaged. We got all the wrapping materials off. Well, we forgot that. We got all the packaging materials off, and it's looking great. Here's the amazing thing about this bike right here, okay? If you don't want to do a whole lot of maintenance, if you don't want to do a whole lot of assembly, there's literally none. The only assembly you have to do is you have to stand up the handlebar stem, and you have to attach the handlebars. I mean, you had to do a couple of the standard little things, but real simple and easy to put together. Hey, here's another big plus before we get into the cockpit area. Let's jump out here and look. You don't see that too often on these e-bikes. Yeah, that is truly UL certified. A lot of companies claim that their bikes are UL certified, but for it to be truly UL certified, it's got to have this little sticker right here. It's got to have that sticker on the product to say that it is in fact UL certified. And a lot of these bike companies, they're just telling you that it is when really it isn't. Love that about Velotric. They're very transparent and open. Let's get up here into the cockpit. Now, I did add these mirrors, okay? These are my favorite mirrors. I added them already to the bike just because I've been riding this bike a lot already. Like the handle grips here. Got the built-in palm rest. Makes it very comfortable, nice and rubbery. Good feel there. We do have the left-handed thumb throttle. The hydraulic brakes right here. Nice, nice display. I mean, it's small, pretty small, but it works well for what it does. Let's power it up and show you here. You may see a little flicker on the screen. That's just because of the camera. So you have your pedal assist level right there in the bottom left corner. So it goes up to 5. The buttons are real nice and easy to push. They're right there, convenient, real close so you can get to them. You can easily read the mileage. You can see the battery display, your total miles driven right there. Just a really nice, crisp display. So one of the better ones I've seen when it comes to these small displays like this. Moving over here, let's talk about the handlebar stem. This is a folding bike, so it does have a folding handlebar stem. So you can release the catch, drop the handlebar down to make the bike a lot lower. Maybe you want to transport it in an SUV or something. Not only that, you can disconnect it right here or unlatch it, and you can raise the handlebar up several more inches there, okay, for you taller riders. Now, I believe Velotric says this bike is good for people who are like 4'10 to, no, excuse me, yeah, I think I'll put it on the screen if I'm wrong, 4'10 to like 6'5", and I'm 6'1", okay, and I can ride this comfortably. Even though it is a smaller style bike, it's got a lower step through, I can get on this bike and ride it comfortably, no problem at all. Moving on over here, we do have a 7-speed shifter, and it's the finger shifter. Some people call them paddle shifters. It's been shifting just fine, no problem. I really like this. This is an upgrade over the standard thumb shifter. We do have a right-handed bell. All right, let's see. What else can we say here? Yeah, just overall, great bike. Really enjoying it so far. And yeah, so Amanda and I took it out on the road recently. Let's show you some of that footage. Now let's go ahead and get started with some riding footage here. We're going to start in pedal assist 1, and we're just going to hit the throttle to start with to get the bike moving. And you'll notice it's got kind of a slow take up right there, and then it continues to increase in speed. This is throttle only, no pedaling. I asked the company about that because I said, you know, it seems a little sluggish. And they said, no, not really. That's just how we had it designed. And they had it designed with a lot of folks in mind that don't want that real zippy fast bike, which, you know, some people do, some people don't. So a lot of folks want that more stable, more controlled takeoff, you know, just so you don't have that hair-raising experience. And that's what they're giving you here. But look, even in pedal assist 1, throttle only, I'm going 14 miles per hour. So let's bump it up to pedal assist 2, and we're just going to get going here. So again, now we're in pedal assist 2. It's going to slowly increase. Kind of like driving a car on a Sunday afternoon. You just push the pedal a little bit and you just kind of slowly increase. Now we're up to 17.1. Going to increase it to pedal assist 3. Again, you don't feel any lurching. You don't feel any jerking of any kind because it's just a slow, gradual increase there, which is real nice. It's a real nice feeling. So now we're up to, in pedal assist 3, we're going to hit about, what is it, 22? Yeah, we're going to hit right at 21.8 in pedal assist 3. So pedal assist 4, we're going to continue on up our slow, gradual climb here. A little faster on the zip there in pedal assist 4. So now we're going to reach 23, 23.7, 24. Yeah, oh, 24, almost 24.7 right there. We're running out of road, so we're going to have to take a turn here, get started again. So let's get it powered back up. All right, so now that we're kind of lingering around 24, so we're going to go ahead and bump it up into pedal assist 5 now and see what it does. So a slight little lurch there as you hit pedal assist 5 because it's got a little more pep, and it's going to rocket you on up there to about 28 miles an hour. There's 27. Yeah, with my rider weight of 240 pounds, it's going to top out probably 27. So if you're a little lighter than me, you'll be able to hit that 28. We're going to zip around here. Actually, no, we're not. No, we're not. We're going to keep going this way. Nope. We are supposed to go the other direction. You know, I'm lost. This isn't a neighborhood I'm familiar with. There we go. I'll get us to where we're intended to be eventually. All right, now let's run through the gears here. I think I left it in, yeah, it looks like I'm in gear 4 over here. And we're going to go ahead and start out on pedal assist 1. And yeah, just start pedaling. We're going to do no throttle this time. So there we go. Nice little jump right there. Since it's on the jump there, we got a little bit of a lurch. We're going to rock it on up there, probably to about 11 like before maybe. There's 12. Nope, there's 13. I'm going to have to change my gears over here because I'm ghost pedaling a little bit. So 14 for pedal assist 1. So that's interesting. So we're going to go ahead and bump it up to pedal assist 2. A little bit of a lurch there. Interesting because throttle only, you don't feel any kind of a lurch at all, but just pedal assist, you do feel just a little bit of a, hey, here we go kind of thing. So that's about 16.7 there. Let's stop for the stop sign, take a look, make sure we're good. And get going again. So that was pedal assist 2. The bike pedals real nice too. It's real comfortable. I like that bigger front chain ring. So let's jump it up into pedal assist 3. Here we go. It wants to giddy up, so we're going to go ahead and put it up in 6th gear now. Pedal assist 3, 6th gear. Starting to get a little ghost pedaling, just a little bit. Let's jump on up here. We'll get outside the neighborhood here a little bit, do a little more testing with it. I tell you what, this bike, it'll get you where you want to be, and it'll get you there pretty quick. I can't say enough how good this bike feels. It's just, it feels good. It sounds good. You don't hear the motor much at all. What you hear is a little noise from the tires, so you got that hum coming off the tires there a little bit, but what a great bike. Oh no, now we have birds in the road. Look out, birds. Early bird gets the worm. All right, so here we are. We're going to cruise on along. So pedal assist 3, we're back up there again. We're going to go ahead and bump it up to pedal assist 4 now. Still pedaling comfortably. 23, right there's 24. I'm in 6th gear. I'm going to go ahead and put it in 7th gear. There you go. Good pedal resistance. I'm at 24.5. And I still have really good pedal resistance there. I mean, I'm pedaling a little faster, but there's no ghost pedaling. It just feels real nice. Let's bump it up in the pedal assist 5 before we run out of road up here. There's pedal assist 5. We're cranking it on up. We're hitting 26, 27. Look, I'm still not ghost pedaling, but I've got to stop. Running out of road. Yeah. Oh my goodness. What a fun ride. So who's this bike for? So certainly if anyone who's doing some traveling in RVs, looking for a lighter weight bike, something that folds, something to get in out of your storage bins and that sort of thing. I mean, 63 pounds is great. Now that's without the rear basket. But this is great for anyone who just wants something to cruise around the neighborhood or even go grab some groceries, because you know what, that basket is really big, so you can go get a lot of groceries and stuff, making your grocery run. Here's another thing we didn't talk about. Velotric has awesome accessories. They really do. They've got some awesome accessories. I don't have any yet. I hope to get some so I can demonstrate for you some of the other features of the bike. I mean, you've got you can put 2 child seats back there. You can get 2 cushions to put back there with handlebars for 2 smaller children to sit down. They've got protectors to go over the rear wheel so little feet doesn't get tied up inside the spokes. Just a number of things that look to be really good quality, really well thought out for a budget e-bike. Now let's talk about that. Guys, this bike comes in at $999. Now last year this would have easily been a $1,500 bike, but prices seem to be coming down, the quality of bikes are going up, and I tell you what, for $999 for everything that you get here, a lightweight 28 mile, or excuse me, max speed of 28 miles per hour, that 13 amp hour battery, just really good components. It's a win-win. I'll tell you what, it's a winner. So if you're looking for that $1,000 bike, take a hard look at this one right here. This is a fun bike. Amanda and I both are enjoying riding it because it's just nice and smooth and just handles well. And this is one we'll keep around for a while because, yeah, just because it does perform so well. And I say that about some of my bikes. You know, some bikes I keep longer than others. The ones I really like, I try to keep longer. And this is one that we're going to enjoy in our family for a while. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. Tell me what you think about the Velotric Fold. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I'll try to get back to you, or I'll let the community answer. And yeah, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, because there will be some more videos coming out about the Velotric Fold as we get out there and use it. So until that video comes out, you guys ride safe.